In this episode, we will discuss how Bitcoin empowers everyone towards a greater good. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. Just recently, I sat by quietly and listened to the heated conversation around my family's holiday dinner table. The topics discussed centered around geopolitics and the frightening state of wars and injustices engulfing humanity. There was a general sense of despair and sadness around the room, and one close friend said something to the effect of, "I know one thing though, no matter how much we argue about things, nobody in this room can do anything that will alter the course of events happening around us." I didn't say anything at the time because there was just too much negativity in the air and I knew I wouldn't be heard. But I'll tell you why I believe the exact opposite. That every single one of us in the room can make a difference. I don't believe that a common individual is totally powerless to change things for the better because I have taken the time to study Bitcoin. And I have learned that Bitcoin possesses a network effect that gets its immense and exponentially increasing strength from every individual involved in the network. Actually, it may be the first time in history where the common man has as equal an opportunity as the rich and powerful man to contribute to a technological breakthrough that will fundamentally change our world for the better. Money is power, money is freedom, but money is broken. Money badly needs fixing. Bitcoin fixes money. Bitcoin, and only Bitcoin, decentralizes money. Bitcoin gives back power to the individual. Bitcoin gives back freedom to the individual. Every individual who contributes to the Bitcoin network gives power and freedom to every other individual who enters in the future. Bitcoin is the missing piece of the puzzle that secures the value of our labor. Yes, it's great to see the price of Bitcoin pump, and as we discussed in the episode titled Catch the Bitcoin Wave, to which I'll link below, there are many factors that suggest a good pump in price is imminent. But it's also great to be a very important part of a technological phenomenon that helps our fellow man. And once you see that every Bitcoiner plays a very important part, then you will see yourself as a very important too. And the helplessness that tries to overcome us like a fog in these difficult times will lift and our individual power will shine through. I'm a Bitcoiner because I want to help. I want to learn more about Bitcoin and share what I've learned with others. Please follow me on this journey. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment if you please. And always remember that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.